Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabila YouTube channel. And to this video, I will teach you how to block spam and scam calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up bar show, okay, you'll have to just go to settings. Here in settings, okay, go to block numbers. Here in block numbers, you can see the block spam and scam calls. Okay, use caller ID and spam protection to block calls from telemarketers, fraudsters, and other unwanted callers. And okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up below are show, okay, caller ID and spam protection. Your use of this service is subject to HIA's terms of service and privacy policy. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the agree button. And okay, after that, you can see the block spam and scam calls. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And there are two options here. You can only block high-risk scam calls, or you can set and to block all spam and scam calls. So I decide to set and to block all spam and scam calls. And that's it, okay? We have successfully blocked spam and scam calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.